Alright, YouTube, this is going to be the start. Finally had some good weather to be able to get out here and start the truck. I'm going to show you the makeshift exhaust I made. Is come back from the head or headers. It's the flex exhaust. It's just temporary until I can go and take it to get an exhaust put in. Magnaflow exhaust, dual in, dual out, 2 1/4, and then oh yeah, my crappy welding. It works, whatever. And out and out. Of course, all this one changed, but no, the welding's crappy. So no need to comment on that. That's your me not knowing how to weld and Harbor Freight $100 welder. So there you go. Got the clamps there. So there you go. That's the exhaust. Well, let's go start it. Go. Well, it's got some adjusting to do, but it runs. I'm driving it for about a week now to work. It's running good. Got to work. Sending in it's messed up on the truck, so about to take the product off and tell them to see that it's not working. Alright, folks, that's it. It's running. Any comments, questions, let me know.